The 2025 Toyota Camper Van Motorhome is a game-changer for anyone seeking the perfect blend of adventure, comfort, and practicality. Right from the first look, this van makes a striking impression with its sleek, modern design. Toyota has crafted an exterior that's both stylish and functional with a compact, aerodynamic build that not only catches the eye but also improves fuel efficiency. Made from lightweight yet durable materials, it's built to handle rugged terrains as well as city streets. The all-terrain tires ensure a smooth ride whether you're navigating dirt trails or cruising down the highway. Under the hood, the van is powered by Toyota's advanced hybrid system, a 2.5-liter engine paired with an electric motor producing 150 horsepower. This setup offers enough power to tackle steep mountain roads or tow up to 3,500 pounds, making it incredibly versatile. One of the standout features is the roof-mounted solar panels, which charge a 15 kilowatt-hours battery. This allows you to power essential appliances while staying eco-friendly and fuel-efficient. It's a thoughtful touch for anyone planning off-grid adventures. Inside, the camper van is a masterclass in space optimization. The interior comfortably sleeps for people, thanks to a convertible sofa bed and a pop-up roof with a built-in sleeping area. The kitchenette is compact yet fully equipped, featuring a 2-burner stove, a sink, and a 50-liter fridge, making meal prep on the go a breeze. The front swiveling captain's chairs easily convert the space into a cozy dining area. Storage is another highlight, with compartments tucked away in every corner, including hidden underfloor spaces to keep your essentials organized. Technology plays a big role in enhancing the user experience. A 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and RV-specific navigation. There's also a control panel that lets you monitor your water levels, battery status, and lighting, all of which can also be managed remotely via smartphone app. This level of tech integration makes managing your camper van's amenities easier than ever. What truly sets the 2025 Toyota Camper Van apart is its off-grid capabilities and safety features. The integrated solar panels and water filtration system allow you to stay off the grid for extended periods without sacrificing comfort. Safety is another priority, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras ensuring peace of mind on the road. Toyota has gone the extra mile to make this van a reliable and safe companion for all your adventures. Starting at $58,000, the Toyota Camper Van offers incredible value for the features and versatility it provides. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels designed for modern adventurers. Whether you're chasing sunsets along the coast, exploring national parks, or enjoying a quiet weekend getaway, this camper van is built to make every journey unforgettable. With its combination of cutting-edge tech, comfort, and durability, the 2025 Toyota Camper Van Motorhome truly sets the standard for road travel.